Naniniwala na yung itsura sa labas ganito sa loob. Wow. Oh. Cannot get inside. This is cool. Cool. From the outside, merong deliver. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is so cool.
Hi everyone! Hello! Welcome to our YouTube channel!
Coffee shop, name coffee shop.
Coffee shop, Mother Rooster. There's line.
You have arrived.
Upon searching on my first cafe destination, yan, nakarating nga ako dito sa tinatawag nilang Mother Rooster. Isa daw ito dun sa well-known o laging pinupuntahan dito sa Talatnoy. So, nung pagpasok ko, so, mukha siyang junk shop talaga. And yung smell niya is like grease. Tapos, upon entering, meron dyan hagdan, on the way up, and there you go, doon mo makikita yung mismong coffee shop. So, syempre, nagwa-wonder ako kung pareho kaya ng amoy yung sa baba at dito, pero hindi. Hindi amoy yung grease sa baba dito sa taas. Ito yung mismong coffee shop. Yan. 'Di ba? Uhoy. Tapos, nung pagpasok ko, sobrang na-amaze ako kasi yung aroma ng coffee is super. Ito yung first coffee of the day ko. First meal. First na kahit ano. Wala pang ibang tinitik. Ito pa lang. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang aesthetic nung inner nila. Ano tawag dito? Yung concept. Yan. Tapos, yun na nga, diba? Ibang-iba yung sa baba at saka yung dito. Sobrang linis dito, yung amoy ng coffee, yun lang yung makikita mo eh. And also, they are like using another machine to make coffee. First time ko makita nito, pero alam ko hindi naman siya bago. And I like how the way they make coffee. Yan, ginagawa nila na yung coffee ko. In order ko pala guys is oat milk latte. Wala naman akong ibang in-order, kundi ito lang. And yan, there you go. Here's my coffee. Siyempre, pumunta ako sa labas para mag-picture and everything. Pero, siyempre, since I was alone, diba, may pa-aura dyan ng person. Yan lang. On to my next destination. Unfortunately, it's closed, under renovation siya. So, lakad-lakad muna ako. Yan. O, diba? Ang bongga kaya nung mga ano nila dito. Wall art ba tawag dito? And it's so good. Picture, video, ohoy. Tapos, I went dito dun sa para siyang lumang Chinese tea house. Na sabi nila is madalas din daw tong pinupuntahan ng mga tourist. Yan. So, Hentai yata yung name yan. Yan. Lumang-luma na siya, guys. Yan. Meron siyang pool, tapos pwede kang umakyat, pumunta sa taas, you can roam around. Yan. This is where you will order. Yan. Diba? So, magbabayad ka ng 50 baht o kaya mag-order ka ng tea from them. There's some old Chinese house. So you need to remove your shoes. Hindi na. This is so cool. This makes super old na siya. Yan siya yung ginagawa dito. Parang photoshoot. Yan. Naghahanap ako ng place ko. At the moment, guys, I was enjoying the iced lemon tea that I ordered, pero it's kinda too sweet for me. Ini-enjoy ko muna. Tingin-tingin sa paligid. Ang init-init kasi, guys. Yun lang.
Your destination is on the left. We have everything in here, from drinks to pastry, tapos mga full meals they have. Hi! This is so cool. Diba? Sino maniniwala na yung itsura sa labas ganito sa loob? Wow. Oh. Cannot get inside. This is cool. Cool. From the outside, merong deliver. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is so cool. So cool. Banawe. Charot. Oh, Banawe, di ba? Cheese. Lahat ng parts andito.